Hey there, you guys. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing a special vacuuming video. But it's gonna be different than all the other vacuums that I've done in my previous videos, and I will show you why. So I have this black light right here, and also got some LED lights that are stripped all over this wall. Right now it's on blue, and then there's this little remote that comes with it that you can like change colors whichever way you want, like red, blue, green, blue, purple. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Then there's white. I mean, it doesn't look white on the camera, but it's white. I mean, it does look like it's a light blue color, but on the camera, but it's white. Trust me. There's like a pinkish purple, and then there's yellow. Oops. Doesn't look yellow on the camera, but it does. And there's also this thing if you want to fade it, change colors. I'm gonna put on a flash to make it more funner. Oops, not flash. This one. And then you can change the speed right here. Make it a little more fun. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set this on the camera. But I'm also gonna turn the lights off here. So yeah, hopefully this will focus good enough. So let's just see how this goes. So I hope you guys can see this good enough. Just to make it more fun vacuuming. Like I have a little dance party going on in my room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. So here we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So hopefully it's not too blurry, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little special vacuuming video. So please hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll keep you guys posted soon. So take care, y'all.